Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ivolt, and today's video is all about this, a Mercedes E-Class. And what we've actually done is removed the dash cam and put a new one in. The one that came out of the car was the original Mercedes dash cam that they offer, but customer wasn't happy with that, so decided to go down the route of one of our systems, something called a Thinkware U1000. Basically what the system involves is basically stripping the car down, going into the fuse box for all the powers, but you've got a front camera which sits right really nicely behind the mirror, so with driver's seat you can't really see anything at all. Physical cable run all the way to the back, so the back camera has gone into the existing location on the middle of the windscreen on this car. Obviously every car's slightly different, but that is in the middle, giving you a really nice clear image. Basically you've got front and back solution, but the main thing we've also added in is something called an Ivolt battery. What that basically means is there's zero draw on your vehicle's battery. So as you drive along the road, basically what you're doing is charging up the little battery that we've installed on this rear quarter. In terms of what that happens, so as you're driving along, about a 45-minute drive gives you 16 hours of recording approximately in parking mode, which is phenomenal. Basically, it's working a bit like CCTV to protect your vehicle. So not only are you protected while driving now, front and back coverage, you've also got coverage when you're parked, which is absolutely amazing. Customers also opted for the additional radar module, which sits just to the left-hand side of the camera. This extends the parking mode, gives it a lot more kind of functionality and also lifespan of that battery. So that's another optional extra that this customer has opted for. But overall, really happy with the finished result. Install looks amazing, not only cosmetically for what obviously your customer sees, but behind the scenes, everything is neat, tidy, professional, and safe, which is very important. The reason why all that is because of our talented team, but also the work is done inside our workshop facilities here in Cambridge, while our customer is enjoying a lovely cup of coffee in our showroom, but we also have hire cars available. If you're interested in getting something like this installed on your vehicle, looking to protect your vehicle not only while on the road, but also while parked, drop us an email, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. Everything is in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hopefully you've learned a little bit more about the solution. And if you want to know more about the application, how to access footage, all of that sort of stuff, I'll drop a link in the description below for that video, because that is really useful. You see exactly how the app is actually used. But thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.